Bonjour! Today I am going to teach you the days of the week through memory techniques. Les jours, which means the days. The means of. La semaine means the week. Les jours de la semaine means the days of the week. Les jours de la semaine. Let me give you another interesting information to you. In English, the days of the week starts from Sunday, or that's how we learned. But in French, the week starts from Monday onwards. Monday is lundi. Remember, lunar. Lunar is moon. We say lunar eclipse. Tuesday is mardi. Remember the planet Mars. Wednesday is mercredi. Remember the planet Mercury. Thursday is jeudi. Remember the planet Jupiter. Friday is vendredi. Remember the planet Venus. Saturday is samedi. Remember the planet Saturn. Sunday is dimanche. Now repeat with me. Lundi, which is Monday. Mardi, which is Tuesday. Mercredi, which is Wednesday. Jeudi, which is Thursday. Vendredi, which is Friday. Samedi is Saturday. Dimanche, Sunday. Now, I will just give you the clues. Let us see if you could remember. What is the day of Venus? Vendredi. What is the day of Mars? Mardi, Tuesday. What is the day of lunar? Lundi, which is Monday. What is the day of Saturn? Samedi, which is Saturday. What is the day of Mercury? Mercredi, which is Wednesday. What is the day of Jupiter? Jeudi, which is Thursday. If you want to practice more, visit the page FluencyJet.com/days in French. You can practice for free with audios, flashcards, interactive exercises, pronunciation checker, dictation exercises, voice recorder, and many more. See you soon in another video.